Today I'm going to give you the notes for Newton's 3 laws vocab. And this is on your A1 sheet, so make sure you have this from the crate. Your first word is inertia. Remember, if I'm writing, you should be writing as well. The definition for inertia is the resistance to change in motion. An example sentence for this could be, my body flew out the window when the car stopped due to inertia. The next vocabulary word is accelerate. And you've seen this before, but it's coming back up. Accelerate. It's change in velocity. Speed up. Slow down. Start or stop. So an example could be when the light turns green at the stoplight, I accelerate in my car. And all this means in this situation is that you're increasing your speed. Okay. The next vocabulary word is balanced force. We've talked some about this as well. The definition for this is forces that are equal in size but are opposite in direction. An example sentence could be, when two people push on a door in opposite directions, with the same amount of force, they have a balanced force. Okay, I'm going to go to the next page. So if you flip over your page, you can do that as well, but I'm just going to take a new sheet, but you can use the same sheet you had and record the next 3 words on it. The next vocabulary word is unbalanced force. And the definition for this is forces that cause a change in the motion of an object. And the example sentence could be, when one person pushes against a door with little force, and one person pushes with a large force, and remember, these are opposite forces, so I should make sure I write opposite. I'll put opposite direction. And these are unbalanced forces. The next one is action force. And the definition for this one is a force acting in one direction. So an action force could be when, say I had a rubber band and I pulled it back, the action would be the pulling of the rubber band backwards. So I'm going to write it as an example sentence. When I pull back a rubber band, that is the action force. Now the next vocabulary word goes really closely with the action force. So it's reaction. So you may hear action and reaction forces, and this is where that comes from. So reaction force is a force acting in the opposite direction So an example could be the rubber band again. You're pulling the rubber band back, and when you let go, that would be the reaction force. So when I let go, of the rubber band, in the example above, that is the reaction force. Make sure you've gotten all these definitions down, and I'll zoom in a little bit more so you can make sure you have it written correctly. And that concludes the 6 vocabulary words for Newton's laws for A1.